Ay, kalat na naman. Titigas talaga ng mga ulo. Saan ito pwede itapon? Slogin ko na lang. So, kahit pa paano, huwag na lang nila ulitin. Hey Brad,
Hey Brad, may pera ako. Tara, bili tayo sa tindahan.
saan?
Diyan lang oh.
Layo naman yata.
Hindi, malapit lang. Kaso tinatamad ako eh. Tara, mag-tricycle tayo.
Libre mo ako.
Oo, sige ba? Tara.
Na ako ah. Kailangan ko na magluto. Wala kaming kakainin ngayong tanghali. Kailangan ko ng panggatong. Kailangan ko magputol ng puno.
Burning plastics, greenhouse gas emission, and deforestation are some of the causes of climate change. Climate change has numerous negative impact on the environment, society, and the economy, like extreme weather effect, rising temperatures, leads to food security, and also health risks.
Individual can contribute to climate action efforts in several ways, including reduce your carbon footprint, support renewable energy, advocate for climate action, and support sustainable business.
As a student, you have the power to make a significant impact on climate action. You must educate yourself and raise awareness about the climate change. Remember, as a student, your voice matters and your action can inspire others to join the fight against climate change. By taking proactive steps, you can contribute to a more sustainable and resilient future.